Let's get ahead of ourselves by allowing our users to pay with card in our app. Okay, so given that you are an integrator, you've provisioned your API key, you've created various fiat wallets, with your API key, you should be able to check all the wallet that you have. In this sense, you can see I'm making a GET request to this particular endpoint. When I click on try it, given that I've inputted my API key, I can just click on try it and this would fetch all my wallet for me. As part of my wallet is Ghana cedis and also South African rand. Okay, I would then go ahead to ensure that I direct my user to a payment checkout link. Okay, so to get a payment checkout link from Kotani Pay, you would quickly need to make a post request to this particular endpoint by filling these parameters. So I'm going to go ahead and input my user details. So in this case, one of my users called Jane Doe with a South African phone number starting with +27. Okay, and she wants to pay by card, and currency here is going to be ZAR, and I would ensure I generate a unique ID which I would use to identify this particular user. Okay, once I have that in place, I would input the amount. In this case, Jendo is trying to pay with card or make deposit to her account with 10 rand, and I would input a callback URL to ensure that Kotani Pay, once my user's payment is processed successfully, they can send me a callback, which I would use that to update my user's account details. So pay by card. Okay, so this is a callback URL from you. Once that is done with our API key passed successfully, I would go ahead and make a post request to this particular endpoint. So I'll click on try it. And you can see within some short while, I'm going to receive, okay, so you can see the response that came out says that checkouts successfully created. What I'm most interested in is this redirect URL. So when I copy this redirect URL, I can direct my user to make payment. Okay, so they can now pay with their card. And you can see that would be loaded with Kotani Pay and our partners. They can simply input their information here by selecting whether they want to pay with MasterCard or Visa card, input all the information needed, and once that is done, they can simply make the payment and we would send you a response to your callback URL, which you would be able to use that to update your user information or your user account balance.